quantum computing and exploring the fascinating theory of future influence on the past. Have you ever thought about the possibility that the future could influence the past? It's a fascinating and mind-bending concept that has been explored in various scientific and philosophical contexts. In this video, we will delve into this intriguing theory and examine some of the ideas and debates surrounding it. The idea that the future could influence the past is not a new one. In fact, it has been debated by scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for centuries. One version of this theory is known as retrocausality, which suggests that an effect can occur before its cause. This means that future events could potentially influence past events and change their outcomes. Another version of this theory is known as the block universe or eternalism hypothesis. This theory suggests that time is a dimension that exists alongside space, and that the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. In this scenario, the future could potentially influence the past, as they are both part of the same block universe. One of the scientists who has explored the idea of future influence on the past is Dr. Hugh Price, a philosopher of science at the University of Cambridge. Dr. Price has written extensively about the concept of retrocausality and has proposed that it could potentially explain some of the mysteries of quantum mechanics. So, how could the future influence the past? One way this could happen is through the concept of quantum entanglement. In quantum mechanics, particles can become entangled, meaning that their properties are correlated in such a way that they cannot be described independently of each other. When one particle is measured, the other particle's properties are instantaneously determined, regardless of how far apart they are. Some scientists have proposed that this entanglement could potentially allow for retrocausality. In this scenario, a measurement made on one particle in the future could influence the properties of the entangled particle in the past. While this idea is still highly speculative and debated among scientists, it is an intriguing possibility that could have significant implications for our understanding of the nature of time and causality. Another potential explanation for future influence on the past is through the concept of the multiverse. In this scenario, it is proposed that there are multiple parallel universes, each with its own timeline and events. According to this theory, events in the future of one universe could potentially influence events in the past of another universe. While this theory remains highly speculative, it is a fascinating concept that has captured the imagination of many scientists and science fiction writers. Conclusion. In conclusion, the idea that the future could influence the past is a fascinating and thought-provoking concept that has been explored by scientists and philosophers for centuries. While there is currently no clear evidence to support this theory, it remains a topic of debate and speculation among scientists and thinkers. Who knows what future discoveries could bring to our understanding of time and causality? It's an exciting prospect to contemplate, and one that will continue to captivate the minds of scientists and curious minds alike for years to come. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.